Nagsimula ang lahat sa eskwela, nagsama-samang 12 sa kalokohan at sa tuksuhan, hindi maawat sa isa't isa. Madalas ang standby sa cafeteria, isang barkada na kay saya, laging may hawak-hawak na gitara, konting udyok lamang kakanta na. Kay simple lamang ng buhay nun, walang mabibigat na suliranin. Problema lamang lagi, kulang ang gatong. Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon?
Sa unang ligaw kayo'y magkasama, magkasabwat sa pambobola. Walang sikreto kayong tinatago, o kay sarap ng samahang barkada. Nagkawatakan na sa koleyo, kanya-kanya na ang lakaran. Kahit minsanan na lang kung magkita, magkakaibigay hindi nawala. At kung saan na napadpad ang ilan, sa dating eskwela meron din naiwan. Meron pang ang mga ilang nawala na lang, nakakamiss ang dating samahan.
Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana nga bang barkada ngayon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana nga bang barkada ngayon?
You better say it right now, 'cause you don't have another day. 'Cause we're moving on and we can't slow down. These memories are playing like a film without sound, and I keep thinking of that night in June. I didn't know much of love, but it came too soon. And it was me and you, and then we got real blue. Stay at home talking on the telephone, and we would get so excited and we'd get so scared, laughing at ourselves, thinking life's not fair. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change, come whatever, we will still be friends forever. So we forget the big jobs and we make the big money. When we look back now, will our jokes still be funny? Will we still remember everything we learned in school? Still be trying to break every single rule? Will little brainy Bobby be the stockbroker man? Can he ever find the job that won't interfere with pretend? I keep thinking that it's not goodbye.
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do, thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is. is not what I've got. It's more than I'd ever hoped for. And a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you.
I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain. Someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain. Someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you.